whether it is structure, whether it is systems, whether it is lack of ignorance, or whether it is spirituality. For me, what we needed a blend of all this to be more transparent and more accountable and to make the evaluation of ourselves and our institution. I am Father Binu, originally from India, belong to a congregation called Sons of the Immaculate Conception, and at present I am working as the administrator of the Catholic University and Hospital in Albania. This 5 days of workshop for me made me an agent of change the place where I work, because I go with new information, new ideas and new way of looking at things, and it's also helpful for me to change wherever I have made mistake. It also helped me to introduce new systems and new ideas which some other organizations are practicing. People coming from different countries, church leaders, bishops, priests, religious major superiors, the lay people, sharing with others and taking the best out of experience from all the world that make changes. The most interesting session all throughout was our discussion with officials from Vatican. They were very professional, very genuine. They have given the real nature of the Catholic Church today. We need to have more lay collaborators who are expertise in the field, help them to be part of our organization as specialized people, people who are giving proposals, people who are giving more insights. We have to make them agents of our mission and vision.
And indispensable the lay governance in our
So,
ministry.
in order to implement the transparency, accountability and evaluation, we need to adapt the spirituality, the institutional policies, the new technology, the systems, and all the more the lay collaborators around us who are expertise in the field.